What? What?
Hey, hey. Can
Hurry
they see
up.
me? How you on?
I'm not even on no it. Oh, I am recording. Well, my name's Rashonda. Y'all liked my status, so I'm doing my shout out. Yeah, that's my sister. So my first shout out is to Samantha. We went to middle school together. Then it's my sixth grade best friend Abby. I miss you. Then it's Alyssa. I see you every day. So this is not really a shout out. And then Paola, you're really pretty. Well, you should chill with me sometime. Then it's my boo Honey. Yeah, I'm really mad you went to a higher school, so I don't see you anymore. Then there's some girl named MF and Monica Sanchez. I don't really know you, but you should hit me up sometime. Then there's my boo thing Alize. I love your name. Then there's my third grade best friend Vanessa. I miss you. You should text me. I know you got my number. And then it's when she was in eighth grade, we was really cool. So my boo Minka, I love your tattoo. Then it's Big Daddy Swisher. You're really pretty. Nobody. Oh, I'm making a shout out video. A shout out video. Then Alexis Cruz. Then my last two shout outs are for Jasmine Forever Loving Him and Lexi Thompson. Well, I gotta go, but I have to go to Black Friday. Adios, love y'all, Rashonda.